What's up, yappers? Today, we're going to discuss AUs. A lot of you may know that I have an AU called Hallucinations of the Ghost. And sure, it's fun and I found it pretty interesting. It's insanely time consuming and I don't have much time to do this anymore. So I made a new AU called Colored Friends, and I need you guys to decide whether on if you want me to keep doing Hallucinations of the Ghost or the new AU Colored Friends. So type in the comments below which one you want me to do. Okay, that's all. Bye.